get an overview of the calculus submenu. There are some simulations that I made early on when I first started teaching AP Calculus, things that I thought were hard to explain, so I made some simulation of slope and the first and second derivatives and epsilon delta and the accumulator function. And then here we have differential calculus and integral calculus. We'll have to look at each one of these programs separately, but you can see there's beginning programs to help introduce most of the major types of problems we have to study in calculus, the related rates and optimization problems. Particle motion, I found almost impossible to teach particle motion and had to write this program in self-defense, and once I did, the students used the program and I didn't have any trouble with their getting it into their minds. The accumulator function likewise really seemed to help the students that I taught. So we'll have to look at each one of these separately, and just wanted you to get a look at the calculus menu. Oh, this program up at the top is one that I wrote for the first day of calculus. Might as well look at it. It has an introduction to differentiation, and so that you can put in any kind of equation you have. And I usually talk to the kids and say, what's the slope of this line? And I tell them that what would be the slope of this secant line, and you can bring the 2 points closer together and take the limit. Just gives me a visualization of differential calculus, and the same for integration, finding the area under a curve, and just tell them that we have, explain to them that we have two parts of calculus to come, and then partway through the year I tell them we're now changing to the integral calculus, and you can reduce down these rectangles to estimate area. And there's the biography of Isaac Newton and biography of Leibniz, and some introduction to some of the symbols to be used in calculus, just to help them with the awkwardness of that. So this is the calculus menu, and we'll come back to it in other movies. Thanks.